Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter data into Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful spreadsheet and project management tool that can help you organize your work and get things done. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to track a lot of data? Maybe you're working on a project with a team of people, or you're responsible for managing a budget. If so, then Smartsheet is the perfect tool for you. In this video, I'm going to cover the basics of entering data into Smartsheet. I'll show you how to create new rows and columns, how to enter data into cells, and how to use formulas to automate your data entry. Creating a new Smartsheet. To create a new Smartsheet, go to the Smartsheet website and click on the Create New Sheet button. You can also create a new Smartsheet from within the Smartsheet app. Entering data into cells. Once you have created a new Smartsheet, you can start entering data into cells. To enter data into a cell, simply click on the cell and start typing. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste data. Using formulas. Formulas can be used to automate your data entry and perform calculations on your data. To create a formula, start by typing an equal sign, equal symbol, into a cell. Then, enter the formula that you want to use. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and A2, you would enter the formula equals A1 plus A2. Formatting cells. You can format cells to make them look better and to make them easier to read. To format cells, select the cells that you want to format and then click on the Format tab. From here, you can choose from a variety of formatting options, such as changing the font, color, and alignment of the text. Creating charts and graphs. Smartsheet can be used to create charts and graphs to visualize your data. To create a chart or graph, select the data that you want to use and then click on the Insert tab. From here, you can choose from a variety of chart and graph types, such as bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs. Collaborating with others. Smartsheet is a great tool for collaborating with others. You can share your Smartsheet with other people and give them permission to edit and view your data. You can also use Smartsheet to chat with other people about your work. Advanced features. Smartsheet has a number of advanced features that can help you get even more done. These features include workflows. Workflows can be used to automate tasks and processes. Rules. Rules can be used to automatically apply formatting and validation to your data. Automation. Automation can be used to create scripts that perform tasks automatically. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you organize your work and get things done. In this video, I've shown you the basics of entering data into Smartsheet. I encourage you to experiment with the different features of Smartsheet and see how it can help you be more productive. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Smartsheet.